hot glue gun. And I close it up like so. Now, I like to dip my finger into the water and press. That way I do not get burned. And the neat thing about it is that the hot glue almost dries on contact. Okay, right over there I missed a little spot, so I'm going to redo that. It almost dries on contact by use of the water. We're going to do the same thing with the bottom now. I'm going to do it from this angle since I already showed you how to do it on top. This is a little bit easier for me. And again, to dry it and also to protect our fingers from getting burned. So now the mouth board is in there, and if I put the puppet on, you can get an idea so far of what's happening here. It's starting to look like a real puppet, isn't it? Okay. When we come back, I'm going to show you how to make a nice little tongue for this character. Okay?